Hello. It's just right there. It's right there. Whoa, hey. What's up everybody? James here. Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna play Spider Monster or game. Oh, okay, we're here now. The sensitivity. Oh man, this is like your tutorials, but on Android mobile, I guess. It's on mobile, right? If it's if you're playing on the phone, it's mobile, right? Mobile. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll be safe. Okay. So wicked screen. Okay, what is this? Oh, we can talk back. Alright. I guess this is nothing to look for in it. Open the barn doors. Just hope the spider is not there. Go. Okay. Let's go. Man, it's great. I can be oh. Here. Whoop, this is our house. So we're going there. Okay, let's go. Where's the door? I don't think I'm safe when I'm outside. Okay, let's open. What's this? Gasoline. Scrap. That's it. I think we're safe so far. Okay. Alright, let's go back. There's one more house in there. Let's go. Where do we use the gasoline though? There's another gasoline here. Okay. 2 gasolines. There's nothing here. Can I open this? No. Okay, there's another one. Okay. Go. I really don't think I'm safe when I'm on outside. And others. Alright. So quiet. Let's sprint. Let's go. Okay. Go. That's close. That's so close. We nearly got struck by a lightning. Is that? No. Oh. Whoa, hey. Hey. My goodness, man. Go. Should I save bullets? I think I'm gonna run out. Oh. We ran away. So we're safe. Whoa. What is that, man? Okay, let's check it out. So we just go to say but we're safe on the monster. Also, you need the gasoline for these things. Okay, I get it now. So we should look for more gasoline. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need like 8 gasoline tanks. 8 gasoline. You see that? See that? That's scary me. Okay, I think I'm gonna focus on speed. Boost the tunnel burst. Okay. Okay. Let's go forward. Let's go here. It's all about finding the gasolines. Okay. Nothing here. Got nothing to lose. There. Oh man, there's nothing here. I think we've been here before. I guess. So we're on the okay. Let's go there. Go 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 go. Where's the door? Where's the door? Show me the door. Oh! Where's the door? Where's the door? Open the door. Man, I'm really scared. But and try to fight. I try to fight it, and or else my phone will break. Man, I gotta fix my English. So broken. Whoop! We're only. Go. Let me go, man. I just wanna get back on my train. It's right there, man. Come on, man. So close. Oh no. I knew it. We're not safe when we're outside the train again. So quiet. Let's go. Let's go now. When I hear the choo-choo again, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Wait, looking for other houses. Why there's no people, man? Are they there? Oh. Choo-choo. No. No choo-choo. Okay. No. I'm gonna go there, but it's too close there. Go here. Give me the gasoline, babe. No. There's nothing here but just a bunch of scraps. Looking here. Nope. I think it's coming. Let's go. I'm gonna go there. What I just saw in there. So if our train health drops to 0, is it game over? Our train gonna blow? Is our train gonna blow up? So that's. I don't know if you can catch us if we maximize the speed of. Okay, let's go. Bring it on. Oh, we ran out of ammo. Another one. Go away. We're just running in circles, man. That is not good. I think we've been here. Yep. Reverse. Okay. No, we just got in here before. Okay. Let's go forward. We missed the other houses because of the chase. I don't wanna make sound. That's one. Where's the door? I wanna locate the door. Where's the door? Give me it. Give me that. That will give me relief. Okay, thank you. No, we just... Okay, I forgot. We just got in here. Let's go. On the other side. How many? What do we got? Just one castle. Okay. Okay. The door is closed. So that's the sign we're not in there yet. There it is. One gasoline. I knew it. Whoa. Didn't know that. Okay. I just got jump scared. Take bro, this he doesn't fit on the house. He doesn't destroy just to catch us. That's great. I bet there's other houses in this place. Okay. Hello. It's just right there. It's right there. It's right there. I'm gonna run. I run for it. Look, I can't take my gasoline. Wait. Just wait. I'm gonna get chochoed in here, but... Okay. Another gasoline here. Yep. We can end this. Once we open that gate, it's over. How many? Got 2 gasoline, 8 scrap, and it's right here. Know it. There's other houses in here. There's a lot of houses in here. Let's go. I'm gonna run. I'm running for it. Go. So we should go forward. There's a lot of houses in here, man. There's a lot of... Maybe we can find more gasolines in there. Oh, we're so close. There. There it is. Don't chocho, please, man, please. Don't chocho me right in this place. No. Let's go. back to my trade, bro. Nope, we're reversing, we're reversing. We're going back, we're going back. We're going back, guys. We're brave. We're brave even though we're scared. That's why I play horror games. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. We need 4 more. We just found 2. It's over. Oh, we should do burst. No, 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 no. We should do burst. Should go back on those houses. Just right there. Hit it, hit it. No, it's too far. Just in case that doesn't look like a train monster. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't cho me, don't cho me, don't cho me. No, no, man, I snoop. Please don't camp in here, man. Go, go.